Is believing in the globe insanity? Huh? I just want to know, can y'all prove this wrong? Huh? So far, it's been nothing but truth, man. Is believing in y'all globe insanity? Hosting flat earth versus globe earth with debates. What's going on, y'all? Huh? Does gravity exist? Can y'all prove it? What the heck? Whoa. Yeah, anyway. I don't got time for none of that. Can y'all prove y'all gravity exists? Everything this guy says is correct. Everything. I'm not gonna lie to y'all at all. Can y'all prove y'all gravity is in existence, or is it insanity believing in the globe? I just want to know. Yeah, sounds good, sir. We ain't worried about it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, believe that. Does gravity exist, or is believing in the globe insanity? I'm hosting Flat Earth versus Globe Earth debates. The box is open. Huh? What's going on with the people? Can y'all prove y'all gravity? Can you prove it exists, or is this insanity? Where's your proof besides a formula? Anybody? Or is this insanity? Well, yeah, we're gonna make it make sense. We're gonna make it make sense. Huh? Let's talk about what really need to be talked about. Everybody wanna be talking about everything else, but you don't even know what's going on right beneath your own feet. Is this insanity? Hello. My argument is flat earth versus globe earth. I'm a flat earther. Can y'all prove me to be wrong? Can you prove me to be wrong? What's happening? Oh, we got people in the box. Okay, let's see. Let's see, y'all.
Hold on. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, cool. So you're a flat earther, correct?
Yes, sir. I'm a flat earther all the way.
All right. So I'm in the Navy, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm in the Navy, and I've been around the globe probably around 3 times now.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna lie to you. You kind of got like good argument going with I don't know, with like magnets or whatever the fuck you were talking about. Like what was it talking? Something with the.
But don't curse again on my live. Thank you.
My apologies. My apologies.
But, sir, do you have any proof behind gravity, or is this all just insanity?
What do you mean by this is insanity?
Does gravity actually exist, or is this all insanity?
I
Can
mean,
you
I
prove
believe it
gravity?
exists.
Can you prove it, sir, or are you living in insanity?
Okay, so what's keeping you to the ground right now? Are you like
Electromagnetism?
that's what you were
Electromagnetism.
talking about?
Can you
Okay,
prove
what
it's
what causes
gravity,
that?
sir, or is all this insanity? Can you prove it's gravity? What proof do you have behind gravity besides a formula? Because we have
Uh,
magnets here, sir. And do you know magnets literally demonstrate mass affecting mass as they proclaim gravity to do?
so
So
would you
what's
say
going
there's
on with your
magnets
gravity?
beneath your feet? Like what do you mean by that?
Magnets, sir.
Like
They
it's
literally,
like the
no,
flat
magnets literally demonstrate mass affecting mass. So what is gravity doing?
gravity's pulling you down. It's keeping
How?
you literally like okay, so the Earth, right? I believe it's round because I've been around it. I've been to Guam. I've been to Palau. I've been to like
Can you
Hawaii. I've been to
explain
like
to
all
us
these
how
places.
gravity keeps you down, sir?
Okay, so gravity. Okay,
Yeah.
so think about this. The Earth, okay, the Earth itself, to me, it's round. To me, it's round, okay?
Can you
And the
explain
Earth
how
has like
gravity
this.
keeps you down, sir?
Yeah, I'm explaining. I'm explaining. So the Earth is round, correct?
I'm gonna move on to the next guest, sir. Keep repeating the same thing. Oh, they all ran. They know it's the truth. They know it's the truth, y'all. Is this insanity? Can anybody prove it? Y'all say the Earth is round, but yeah, I put something on the ground, drove 30 miles away from it, pulled out a telescope, zoomed in, and I was still able to see it. It was supposed to be beneath 600 feet of curvature. So what's going on with your Earth is round, sir? What's going on with your curvature of your globe Earth? Is it a curved Earth or is it flat? What's going on? Is this reality or insanity? I just want to know. Can y'all prove that y'all gravity is actually reality? I just want to know. Because I put something on the ground, bruh. I drove 30 miles away from it. Pulled out my telescope. You did. Yeah, lined it up on the cement and things. You hear me? Zoomed in on it, man. Was still able to see it. It was supposed to be beneath 600 feet of curvature. How was this possible? How? Can y'all prove this is, you feel me? What we supposed to be living on is the ball is real? Can we prove? Anybody? Can y'all prove it? I just want to know. This is all factual, actual things I'm dropping to tell y'all, man. Is this insanity? It because ain't nobody gave you nothing to prove it. Anybody. This is not adding up. It's not adding up. But I know behind electromagnetism, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we got
How you
magnetic
doing?
elements flowing through our bloodstream, and the earth is magnetic itself. This is how we stay grounded. The
I'm,
magnetic elements in our bloodstream is attracted down to the ground.
so
So,
you believe that picture in the back is right?
no, sir, this is literally a metaphor for perspective. Sir, can you present the people any evidence behind gravity, or is everybody that believe in the globe living in insanity?
I don't know. I think the picture behind you is kind of right though. Flat Earth in the firmament.
All right, I'm glad you agree, brother. We're gonna let people up that want to defend their gravity, though. It's a lot of people that I'm pretty sure would like to. Next contestant, how you doing, sir? Is living and believing you on the globe insanity, sir, or can you
No,
prove gravity?
yeah, gravity is real. I'm pretty
Can you
sure if I
prove it,
nut in
sir?
your face, that's just gonna drip down slowly and gravity's gonna pull it, bitch. Ugly ass motherfucker.
What are you so mad for, sir? What is going on with you? Whoa, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Yeah, gotta have better character sometimes. Just have to. So is this insanity, y'all, or can anybody prove gravity? Because I know we being held down due to electromagnetism. There's magnetic elements in y'all bloodstreams. The earth is literally magnetic itself. This is how you get pulled down and stay grounded to the ground. Yeah, the pull isn't very strong. No, it's not. It's strong enough. This is why you able to jump. Straight up, no game. So we gonna see, man. Next contestant. Here we go. Is this insanity? Because nobody can prove its existence.
Hello,
How old are you?
I'm like 14, but I'm pretty
I
good with science.
think you're old enough, honestly. How you doing, sir? Is believing that we're living on a globe insanity, sir? Or can you prove that we are?
I can prove that we are.
All right, sir. How can you do that, sir? Do you have gravity's body plan?
So scientists can measure if you take a flashlight and shine it straight up in the air, the gravity pulls back on the light. You have to have a special equipment. Einstein proved it. To prove the Earth
Sir,
is round and a globe,
I'm glad you said that, sir. I'm glad you said that, sir. Why every time they perform that test, sir, they have to spray some sort of substance in the air? And what is this substance?
I'm not sure what the substance is, but I did read an article on it.
So
So
you know. Oh, so you don't know exactly what substance it is, but you know about it.
I do know about it. But let me
Okay.
ask you this as far as flat Earth goes, because
So
I did do a
wait, sir,
study
sir, we're
on.
still on your gravity, sir. So
Okay.
are they actually, sir, measuring gravitational waves, or are they measuring this substance they spray?
That's a good question. That'd be up for debate.
That's what we're doing.
So are we only discussing gravity here on Earth, or let's say a black hole for an
Exactly,
example
sir.
that
This is
light
what
can't
we're trying
escape
to
at?
figure out, or is everybody living in insanity? So, sir, did
I
they
got you.
test actual gravitational waves or just that spray?
Hold on, I'll pull the article up because it said in there. I got it right here. Hold on. It says, all right. So it said Albert Einstein discovered this principle. If you shine a flashlight upwards, the light will grow.
Sir, no, we're talking about the spray they use, sir.
Right. It don't say anything about the spray, so I'd be curious to know what the spray was.
But you just proclaimed that you knew about it. I'm gonna let you down now, sir. You was just lying. All right. How you doing? How you doing, sir? Sir, I have a question for you, sir. Why every time when I perform an electromagnetic test, I don't have to exclude gravity?
Gang, you understand that 650 people are watching you?
All right. Thought so, y'all. What I say? Does the globe exist, or they trying to keep everybody living in insanity? We gonna figure it out today.
Hey, what's up,
How you
man?
doing, sir? Why don't I have to exclude gravity, sir, from my electromagnetic test?
Why you don't have to exclude electromagnetic what? Sorry?
Why do I not have to exclude gravity, sir, from my electromagnetic test?
Wait, can we go back? Cause I'm kind of wait. What are you trying to say? I don't understand.
I'm asking why do I not have to exclude gravity out of my electromagnetic test?
Wait, can we go
I'm
back to
saying
the
if
question?
gravity
Does
exists,
gravity exist?
this is literally that. So do you
Right.
you don't have an answer?
So
So is it
you don't believe
insanity?
that gravity? You
I'm
don't
just
believe
asking,
that
sir,
gravity
why
exists?
why don't I have to exclude gravity though from my electromagnetic test? Is it insanity to believe in it, to be believing in gravity when I don't even have to exclude it? I'm gonna let you down, though, brother. It was good talking with you, man. All right. Um, I'm trying to figure this out though. This has really been on my mind lately, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
What's good?
How you doing, sir? Do you know why I don't have to exclude gravity from my electromagnetic test?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Oh, I don't know.
And why don't we have any proof behind gravity? Are we living in insanity?
No, unless you live in a mental asylum.
Oh, all right, all right. Sir, can you tell us why we don't have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
So, what do you mean by electromagnetic tests?
Any electromagnetic test you can think of, sir. Why do we not have to exclude gravity?
I mean, you believe in Deutsch's proposition, right?
Go ahead, sir. Carry on.
Yeah, Deutsch's proposition states that a mass in motion will remain in motion.
Once again, sir.
Therefore,
So
when you
why
take
don't we
your
have to exclude gravity from my electromagnetic test?
yeah, sorry, I was getting to that. Therefore, when you take the electromagnetic test, you have to carry over the factorial of 4 and divide that by 3.
Which means what, sir, in real life?
Which means when you drop the apple, the apple don't fall too far from its tree, you know?
Yes, exactly. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, thought he was gonna, be slick and be able to
Hi, hi, how are
slide
you
that
doing?
in, y'all. Sir, how about you? Do you have any answer behind why
Um,
we do not have to exclude gravity out of electromagnetic tests? And is gravity believing in
real quickly,
gravity,
I got a quick
believing in
question. Are
living in
you
insanity?
so? Because you just popped in my For You page. Are you talk? Are you? Do you not believe in the idea of
Sir,
gravity?
do you see what's going on here, sir? Do you have an answer?
I'm asking a question. I'm making sure I have all the facts before I make my statement. Hello.
How you doing, sir? Sir, do you know why we do not have to exclude gravity out of electromagnetic tests? And are we, living in insanity by believing in gravity because there ain't no proof behind it?
I mean, there has been proof behind it.
Is there, sir? Can you point us in the direction of gravitomagnetism?
Yeah. So you can go on Google and just search it up. There all the evidence over
Yes, it's
there.
not there, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello?
How you doing? How you doing, sir? Can you
Well, all
please
right.
tell us, sir, why we don't have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
No, I cannot, but I'll listen to you tell me.
Oh, because gravity doesn't exist. You have a great night. Hey, how you doing? All right. Are we living in insanity, people? I mean, are y'all? My bad. Not all y'all, but most people that believe, the Earth is a globe. How you
If
doing?
no, if no gravity, human float.
Believe you're too young. Let's see.
God loves
We
you
gonna,
guys. God loves you. And you're a goofy, y'all.
all right, young man. You have a great night. We're going to get to the bottom of it, you guys. Believe this. Hey, how you
Is it
doing,
my
sir? How you doing? Can you please explain to us, sir, why we do not have to exclude gravity out of an electromagnetic test?
all right? Look, think of the astronauts going to the moon. You could clearly. Why do they need the engines if it doesn't exist?
All right. Are people living in insanity?
What's up? What's up?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
So,
Can you
yo,
explain to us, sir, why we don't
yes.
have to exclude gravity out of an electromagnetic test?
No, no, no. I believe that gravity doesn't exist. I just wanted to show support.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. All
Yeah,
love to you too, bro.
keep going, bro.
All the way, man. Hey, you be careful out there. Peace, love, and harmony to you. All right. Are people living in insanity? We don't get to the bottom of it.
What's the question?
Hey, how you doing, sir? Can you please explain to the crowd, sir, why we do not have to exclude gravity out of our electromagnetic tests?
Well, the thing is, hypothetically speaking, theoretically,
Hypothetically speaking,
conventionally
sir, or actually
speaking.
speaking facts?
Yeah, I am.
No, you said hypothetically?
Oh, you want a real fact?
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm gonna let up the next guest. Hello, how you doing?
Oh, hey, yo, this is my lady page, but I just wanted to come on and say that I agree with you. Like, I ain't gonna cap. I know you trying to figure out like who disagree, but you got my mind thinking like, what the fuck? Like, if you levitate, how is it? You feel me? Fate. You feel me? Then if you think about this shit in the aspect of
Y'all be killing me. All right. Let's see. We're gonna get to the bottom of it, y'all. Yeah, man, for real. Is this insanity? Is it? We're gonna figure it out. How you doing, sir? Can you explain to us, sir, why we do not have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
Yeah, because you can't take your broken car to the hospital to fix it. This
Is this living in insanity, people? Is this living in insanity? Where's the proof behind gravity? What's going on, sir?
Good
Do you have
morning.
any proof behind gravity, sir? Can you point us in a direction, sir, for gravitomagnetism? And why don't we have to exclude gravity from a electromagnetic test?
Because with every force, you need something to propel it. You understand?
Huh? No, I don't. No, I do not, sir. All right. Are people living in insanity? We're gonna figure it out. I'm a flat earther, man. How you doing? How you
Hello.
doing? Yes, how
Doing
you
all right.
doing? Hello. Yeah. Can
Hey,
you explain to us why we don't have to exclude gravity out of an electromagnetic test?
well, we don't have to exclude it because it's irrelevant.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I bet it is. Sir, where can we find gravitomagnetism? All right.
So, hello?
Yeah. Hey, hello, how you doing? Sir, can you explain to us why we do not have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
Gravity is gay.
All right.
How you been, man?
How you doing? How you doing, sir? Can you explain why we do
Ye-
not have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test, sir? And where is
Yeah, of course.
gravitomagnetism?
Yes, of course. I've just heard your question. So the reason why we don't have to exclude it is because in the holy book, the Quran, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even then he said that the
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
How you doing, sir? Can you please explain to us, sir, why we do not have to exclude gravity out of an electromagnetic test?
Gravity is a fundamental law of the universe. If you exclude it from any test that is trying to prove its existence or the lack of its existence, you're
No,
doing
sir. The
something that
question
is
is, sir, why
ignorant.
don't we have to exclude it from
No,
electromagnetics
no,
tests?
no. I mean, the way you ask the question is redundant within itself, so it's supposed to be a confusing question. But that's beyond the
So you
point.
have no answer. Okay, sir. Thank you,
No,
sir.
it's
Can you
not
point
about
me in
not
a
having an
direction
answer.
into gravitomagnetism?
Yeah, Google it. Google can explain it a lot
Don't
better than I
exist.
can.
Thank you, sir. Are we living in insanity? Are people living in insanity? Yeah, it doesn't exist on Google. It doesn't exist anywhere. Gravitomagnetism does not exist. So where does gravity, y'all, get its energy from? Where is it getting this force? Where is it pushing this force out of? This doesn't exist. So what's going on here? What is going on? We can't find it nowhere. We gonna get to the bottom of it though, you know, as a collective, as one. We gonna figure it out.
Hey, what's up, G?
What's going on, man? How old are you, bro?
I'm 21, brother.
Oh, for sure, bro. Bro, can you explain to us, or maybe give us an answer behind why we don't have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
Brother, all massive, all massive objects connect each other.
No, brother. Can you explain to us why we don't have to exclude gravity from an electromagnetic test?
Yes, brother, because all massive objects connect to each other.
No, but why don't we have to exclude gravity though? That,
Brother, believe in Jesus. See you, brother. Jesus is the way and truth.
you proclaim its mass, you got to give me the particular object you are proclaiming this mass that gravity is emitting from. Sir, how you doing today, sir? Do you believe
Pretty good, how are
gravity
you?
lives and resides behind mass? Okay. Just trying to figure it out all together, right? That's how we supposed to do it. Just trying to get to the bottom of this. Hey, how you doing, sir? How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides in mass?
Yes.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Can you tell me the element that's inside this mass that you believe your gravity is in?
Element.
Huh? All right.
Ooh.
Hey, how you
How are
doing? How
you?
you doing? Do you believe gravity resides in mass?
Gravity resides in mass. No.
Yes. Huh?
Gravity pulls mass down.
Right. Do you believe gravity? Do you believe gravity works
Why
off
you laugh?
mass?
Sorry?
Do you believe gravity resides off mass?
Gravity resides off mass. No.
Yes.
Gravity affects mass, brother.
Do you believe gravity affects mass?
Why is why is smiling, bro?
Because of you.
What?
Get out of here. You just keep on twisting. You just want to keep twisting it up. Yeah, all right. Oh boy.
Hello.
Hello. How old are you, young man?
13.
Ah, man, you're too young, bro. Dang. Maybe next time, brother. We gonna just get to the bottom behind this because they be saying, gravity resides behind mass, and we gonna figure it out, y'all. Don't trip. We gonna figure it out. You feel me? We're gonna figure this out today, right here.
Hey,
Hey, how you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides off? Sir, you mind muting up?
do you hear me?
Can you press the mute button? There you go. You can unmute now.
It's better
Yes,
now.
yes. No, you still have a horrible echo, sir. Oh, wow.
Okay, bye.
All right, y'all, don't trip. I got you, Vimy. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. Period. Yes.
Please
Hey, how
help
you
me.
doing?
I'm under the water.
How you? All right. Yeah, we're gonna find out what's really truthful behind all of this, man. Today, huh? They trying to keep the masses living in insanity. Can't have this, y'all. How you doing, sir? How you doing?
Hey, what up?
Hey, do you believe gravity resides off mass?
Honestly, dude, I have no idea.
All right, so I'm gonna just let the next guest up. You have a great night. All right, man. Peace, love, and harmony to you. We can't carry on like this, y'all. Do y'all see this? There's no answers. What's
Hello.
going on? Hey, how you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides off mass?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. What is the element inside of this mass that your gravity is emitting from?
Well, we don't have a quantum equation for gravity yet, so we would not know that.
So gravity doesn't exist, right?
Well, whatever you call it, gravity or whatever, it does exist. You can see
It does.
trends. Things
Sir,
with
can you
higher
tell me the
mass
body
have.
plan of gravity?
Well, there's another dimension that you can't necessarily look at. Einstein's said this a lot of times. It's more of
Thank you,
like a
sir. So
fourth
gravity
dimension.
doesn't exist.
No, yes, it
Where's
does, bro.
Okay, thank you, sir.
There's
You have a
there's
great
a
night.
space.
All they have is a movie script. We're done with the movie script. We ain't buying them whoop tickets no more, y'all. No, we ain't buying whoop tickets no more. Sir, do you believe gravity resides off mass?
No, it actually affects mass because when the mass
Sir,
gets
do you
pulled
believe
down,
gravity affects mass?
I didn't hear the question.
Sir, do you believe gravity affects mass?
Yes, it does affect the mass
Thanks,
because
sir. Sir, what element is giving off this effect for your gravity?
what do you mean in element? Because it's like
Thank you, sir. If gravity doesn't have an element that you know about right here and off the back of your hand, it doesn't exist.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides off mass?
I'm not sure about that, but the thing is, that map behind you, is that how you think it is?
You have a great night, sir. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Yeah, we're gonna make it make sense, man. Tired of this. Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. And I'm
Yeah,
about to
hello.
fully debunk the globe. Period. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Good.
Come again?
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah.
Can anyone prove gravity exists? I just want to know. We've been waiting to hear this answer all our lives. I'm just saying, man, are we living in insanity, thinking and believing we on the ball when we not? Maybe it's more land be on these ice balls and they just don't want us to know about it, y'all. What's really going on? Huh? Appreciate the love all the way, man. Believe this, y'all. I'm doing it for us. We won. Period. It's all love. We all won. Next contestant. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides off mass?
Yeah, I'm
Thank
actually
you, sir.
on
Thank you,
the
sir. Can you
NASA.
tell us the element inside this mass, sir, that is literally emitting gravity's force?
Well, I'm just reading off the NASA.gov, the one you said you're on. I was
That's
trying to
fine,
turn on my
sir.
cat.
Can
I
you
don't I
tell
don't
us
know how to
the
turn on my
element that
camera.
is within the mass that is emitting gravity's force?
I'm just reading off the NASA.gov that you said you were quoting from.
That's fine, sir. Can you tell us the element within this mass that you proclaim gravity was within, and how is it emitting gravity, sir?
Yeah, it's produced by the stars and planets when they spin. It says it's similar to the form of magnet field produced when a spinning ball of charge. It also
Awesome.
goes to say that black holes are surrounded by disks.
Black holes are actually theoretical concepts, sir. Sir, I'm
It's
glad
on.
you said that about your
This is
gravity,
on.
sir. Can you
This
point
is
us in the direction?
NASA.gov. This is
Sir,
NASA.gov.
that's great, sir. That's great, sir. I have Nikola
What
Tesla
you
work
quote.
that's on NASA.gov. It's different.
NASA.gov.
Yes, this is Nikola Tesla work. Anyway, sir. Sir, can you point us in the direction, sir, of gravitomagnetism that your science is actually looking for right now?
What do you mean?
What do you mean what I mean? How about you look it up on the website that you're talking about your own real quick?
This is the one that you said that you quoted off of. You said
Right, go ahead and look it up
NASA.gov.
on there, sir.
You said NASA.gov, right?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and look it up on there.
So it says black holes, neutron
No, sir.
stars.
Gravitomagnetism. Appreciate the love.
Oh, gravitomagnetism might not be there.
Why isn't it there, sir?
Possibility.
Because they're still in search for it. Thank you, sir. You have a great night. How you doing, sir?
Hey, what's up?
Sir, do you believe mass is what, gives off gravity?
I don't.
You.
I believe there's gravity, and.
All right, sir. You have a great night. How you doing?
Good.
How old are you? Hey, how you doing?
Yo, what's up, bro?
How you doing, man? Do you believe gravity resides in mass?
Be honest, hell no.
All right, great, sir. Sir, how you doing, sir? Sir, do you believe gravity resides in mass, sir?
What's up, man? Yeah, I do.
Thank you, sir. Great, sir. Sir, can you please tell us, sir, the element that your gravity is emitting from that is inside this mass, sir?
Yeah, and before I do, which I studied this in college through physics
Awesome,
one,
sir.
physics
Awesome,
two, and
sir.
everything.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it worth time? Are you open to be having
Sir,
your
can you
mind
please
changed?
tell us this element, sir?
Are you open?
How
Oh
you doing?
boy. Hey, how you doing, man?
Sir, do you believe mass gives off gravity, sir?
Hey, man. Hey. You tripping me out, bro.
All right, sir. You have a great night. It's for real. It's not a game. Sir, do you believe gravity resides inside mass, sir?
Gravity is the result of critical mass from all elements, not only one.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Because I actually believe the Earth looks more like something like this.
Yeah,
But
you can believe whatever you want, but you should let
sir,
people say what they
sir,
want
can
to
you
say
point us in the
and not
direction
cut
of
the
this
word.
element you proclaim your gravity is emitting from?
All elements, all
Oh,
mass, all elements,
sir, that
when
is
it
a phallus.
attains.
Sir, that's a
Let
phallus.
me talk.
Sir,
Look,
that is a phallus.
let people talk. Let people talk.
We're not looking for people, sir, that just want to defend that matrix system or breaking it. Hey, how you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
So I realize that you don't believe gravity exists, so gravity won't exist in your world.
Sir, once again, sir, do you believe gravity resides within mass?
I believe gravity does, but you don't, so it never will exist
Thanks,
for
sir.
you.
Can you point us in the direction, sir, of this element that's within that mass that emits gravity?
I can, but you probably will kick me from this live. So the thing
Uh,
is, so everything on this earth, everything on this planet is something that we are discovering. So, like you said, there's no explanation for
have a great night, sir. Is this insanity? Nobody got a solid answer, but they
Bro,
just want to come up here and argue with me.
bro,
This is
bro, you're asking if gravity is real.
yes, sir. Do you believe gravity resides in mass?
No, because gravity is failing your hairline.
Appreciate it. This is unbelievable. Everybody want to be argumentative, but y'all ain't. No one got. This is insanity. Hey, how you doing, man? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Uh, Gravity is a force, kind of like centrifugal force. You know, if you hold a bucket with water and you spin it, and the water will
So,
remain in the bucket.
sir,
I'm sorry.
can you point me in the direction of the element that is emitting this force?
There is no the force is like centrifugal force. So gravity is
Right, that
a
comes from an
force.
element, sir. Can you point us in the direction of this element?
All elements, because they create a force in a fabric
They're
of
not.
time,
It's in
space
none of the
time.
elements on Earth, sir. Can you point us in the direction? Maybe we missed it.
Gravity. So, for example, like I mentioned before, the
Thank
force
you,
of
sir. Have a great
centrifugal.
night.
Okay.
We don't want formulas. We want the actual answers. Where's the answers? We don't want formulas. Y'all keep giving formula.
What's
Hi,
up, bro?
sir. Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir. Can you give us the actual solid answer to gravity, or is everybody just living in insanity because they just believe in gravity?
I can give you the answer. I can also point you to my barber too, because you need.
Appreciate you. This is insanity.
Yo, what's up, man?
This is insanity. How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yes, I do.
Can you please point me to the element inside of mass that is emitting gravity, sir?
Yes. You don't need an element to emit gravity. Like I said before, this is kind of what I went into college for. Gravity isn't explained through the element of what is on Earth.
Well, since you make that claim, sir, can you present to us gravity's body plan?
Yeah, so gravity can be um, observed throughout space and time, as well as through light. So, as you can see, like through the sun.
Sir, body plan is basic architectural. Thank you, sir. Basic architectural arrangement of a biological structure.
Yeah, long answer. Trying to make it short, but yeah. So, um, through the relativity of gravity, like I said, it can be observed. Electromagnetism versus gravity. There,
So, once again, sir, where and how do we observe it? Where can we
we
find
can.
it to observe it?
Yeah, we can observe it by actually the patterns that we
So there's
I
only a formula that you know of, sir? Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Why don't we have to exclude gravity, sir, from our electromagnetic test?
Yeah, so I was kind of going back on that point. Electromagnetism and gravity
Do
are
you have a
very,
solid
very.
answer for us, sir, or just another formula?
No, I got a solid answer. They're pretty similar as far as what definition that you want to bring up,
You
whether
have a
it be
great
from.
night, sir. Boy. Formula after formula. That's a, do you have listen? These are the literal steps anything must go through and take to be in existence. Matter of fact, let's give them out the proper way then, y'all. Come on. Got yourself muted, sir. Got yourself muted there. All right, all right. Is this our people? Are we living in insanity, people? Can anybody prove gravity, or is the Earth really flat?
Yo,
How
hello?
you doing?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Can you speak a little louder?
Yo, can you hear me?
Can hardly hear you, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
How old are you?
16.
All right, you have a great night. Are people living in insanity? We gotta make it make sense. What's going on, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yes.
Can you give me gravity's body plan?
I'm I'm sorry. I'm trying to understand this. You're making me question what I've been taught right now. Like you're making me question it all. So I know I'm finna get
That's
kicked,
what
but
you're supposed to do. Good job, sir. How you doing?
I'm trying to fuck your mama so you can get some sense.
It don't even make sense. Y'all love living in nonsense, boy. I tell you.
Yo, what's good?
What's going on, sir? Do you believe gravity comes from mass?
To a point, yes. And I'm going to say the human mind. And if you want an element, I'm going to say carbon.
Can you tell me
Because at the end
gravity's
of the
body
day,
plan?
the body, the human body,
Great, sir. What is the
the
element?
human mind, carbon,
Awesome, sir.
which
Awesome,
is
sir.
found within your skin,
Where can I find gravitomagnetism
with
inside of a human?
within your skin, within your skin, within your
Does it
body, in
reside
your
within
brain.
skin, sir? That was a nice try.
It does.
He's making up their own doctrines now, huh? Wow, y'all want to defend this so bad? That's crazy. They don't make up their own doctrines behind this.
Oh, hey,
That's
hey, I'm
how you doing, sir? How
I'm
you
back.
doing, sir? Do you
I'm
believe,
good.
sir,
To be
gravity
honest,
resides within
hmm
mass?
well, I can I just say one thing else that is actually not relevant
Sir, do you
to
believe gravity
gravity?
resides within mass, sir?
I just wanted to give you some advice on how to.
This is unbelievable. No answers.
Yes, hello?
How you doing? How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. Awesome. Can you point us in the direction of the element, sir, that is emitting gravity?
So are you trying to like meet the gravity or what are you trying to do with the gravity?
No answer. No answer. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable, y'all. This is unbelievable. This is real life living in insanity right here. This is. Sir, do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
No, I don't.
That's a good answer. That's exactly what I would say.
We're going to make it make sense. Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. What y'all got? How you doing, Sir D? All right. Got your mic muted. I don't know why you want to do this. Are people just living in insanity? What's going on here, people? Is there any proof behind this? I'm just saying, we need and got to get to the bottom of it. How
Are
you
you
doing? How you doing?
supposedly woke or something? Because woke
Come again?
people don't try to force people to wake up and understand them.
Come again, sir?
Are you supposedly woke? Are you supposed to be like solo Illuminati or some shit?
No, not at all, my guy. Nah, man, you understand? I'm trying to help
Why
everybody
don't you
break
also
out the
let people
matrix, which is
speak?
believing that you
Like,
living on the globe. Did you know that, though? Yeah,
you're a
break free.
goofy. You don't let no one speak.
You have a good day. Take care.
Are you a fucking retard?
Can you prove gravity exists? Never mind. Is this insanity, y'all? Is this
So I can
insanity?
actually. Hello?
How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yeah, I do.
Can you point us in the direction of the element that is inside of this mass, sir, that is emitting gravity?
Yeah, of course. So basically, Dad,
Where is it at?
Dad, is that you?
Oh boy. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah,
Hello,
wake
can you
up.
hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir. Do you believe
Okay.
gravity resides within mass?
Yes, I do. One second. I've taken the time to listen to you. I
I'm
just want
glad you
to
do, sir.
ask
Can
if
you
you
point us in
take
the
the time to
direction of
listen
the
to me.
element, sir, that's inside this mass that emits gravity, sir?
So gravity is created because if we hold out a blanket and we put a ball on it, other balls will fall towards that blanket in
You're talking
space.
about the blanket test?
No.
So your
I'm
blanket
trying to
test is
explain it to you.
debunked because the blanket is made of elements from the earth and the
No,
ball.
I'm not.
That
But I'm
test is
trying to
debunked.
explain
You
it
have a
to you.
great day. We need to get to the bottom of gravity. Yeah, I have my notes here. You know what I did? All the way. Hey, how you doing? Uh-huh. All right. All right. Don't come up on my live being argumentative. We don't want that here. We want truth. That's all we want is truth. How you doing? How
Hello?
you doing? Sir, do you believe gravity resides in mass?
Yes, but I don't understand how we're going to answer the question when we're not
So, sir,
educated
can
as
you
you.
point us in the element? You said, huh?
It's hard to understand because we're not as educated as you are because I don't hear dialogue to know like where you're coming from. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now because I've been joining the lives, I've been watching, but I still don't get like what are these elements that we're not aware of or not being told about. I see the image in the back and the ice wall and the firmament on top, but I'm trying to get like I'm still trying to understand where are you coming from versus what other people are saying. Like you saying formula, people are using formula to try to debunk you, and it's not working because you'll ask them a question that stumps them. Every time I notice that they keep getting stumped, but I'm trying to understand what do these questions you're asking mean? Like, I'm so confused right now, bro. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm not trying to join on some BS. I'm not trolling you like these other dudes trying to be funny. I'm genuinely confused.
Oh my gosh, bruh. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, brother. These
Okay.
are literally university equations, man, that have been taken and done by Nikola Tesla. Beyond
Nikola Tesla,
university.
the dude who got silenced, correct?
Yes, yes. So why is NASA still running behind this? Why? Why would they still be using this, bro? If there's no logic, no truth behind it. And why we can't find proof to gravity?
Because I mean, isn't it like a theory? Same thing with black holes. Like, it's something that's like you can't really prove because we don't have the technology to prove it
No, it's just a theoretical concept
to
because
control the masses.
no, I mean, you can't make it through the chaos left layer. So whoever made it out into space or what satellite did?
Okay, so my question is like, how do you prove that that ice wall in the firmament exists? That's so
I
like I
got
want to know
video. I
that.
got video of it on my page.
Okay, I'm finna follow you right now. Okay, just did that. Got the little check. Now my second thing. So you have a video of the firmament, right? how do we know like that's 100%? Like, cause like wouldn't
No,
the
no,
government
no.
try
I
to
mean,
cover
no,
that up?
not video of the firmament, video of the ice wall.
So the government wouldn't try to cover that up. Like, how would they let that happen?
They can't hide everything, brother.
Okay, all right. So what about the firmament idea? Like, why does everyone have like some slightly different idea to what we are like living in right now? Like, you got people like Kyrie who said that he believes in a flat Earth. But when I go to hit, when I try to find other people who have similar belief systems, they come off with their own logic to what they believe instead of bagging what they say up with facts. So when you just said to the dude with the blanket test, you can't use that because it's from everything that they're using is from Earth, right?
Exactly.
Where else are we going to get the materials from? Because I don't know if we went to the moon for real. I'm gonna be 100. I don't know. It
Now,
seemed fake. The boots don't match up. So
hello. So does it exist?
maybe not. Like, why? Man,
I'm just listening. I'm just trying to help everyone think, bruh. That's it. Think.
you're provoking. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You're provoking. You have thought provoking questions for sure. So with these questions that you're asking, like at the end of it, if no one can answer your questions within the next like 20 minutes or so, can you break down to us like what like what did he like what basically like what Nikola Tesla was saying? Like, can you break it down to us so we understand?
I
Because we
give you the
ain't.
definition every time. Eh,
But like,
I
I
give you
don't
the
know why.
definition. You know, I give you the university word, but then I give you the definition right behind it. So you know,
Okay, so then how come no one's under like? Okay, so we got people up in
and
here who've been to
honestly, you want
college
to know
and couldn't.
why? This is hidden knowledge, bro. This is knowledge you can't get from college.
College is a scam, anyways. But so that makes
You
sense.
can't learn this in no college, bro. This is why I'm really doing this. I'm trying to help y'all. Everybody wake up.
I ain't
Like
gonna lie. Like,
it's
it's
people
helpful.
that can get. You can come up here with an ABA, MBA, with any bachelor, all that. You will never win because you're following the fake science. You don't know it, but
You get
yeah,
in the
people.
traction, I can tell. So like, there has to be someone in like there has to be someone that's gonna see this. That has to get into this live. That has to have this conversation because I need to see someone being able to push back so I can learn. Because that's what I learned from like a little bit of pushback gives me room to comprehend. Because my thing is this: it's hard to learn something this new and this
I
controversial
know,
when your glass is already full.
I know, but that's the point. I gotta, help y'all dump that glass out and refill it.
Man.
Period.
All right, I'm gonna try to let somebody get in this box so they can do their thing and hopefully not troll. I want seriousness, but like I hate people keep getting in here
That's what
talking
I'm
spam.
trying to, bro. That's what I'm trying to get in here, so everybody can get understanding behind it. That's what I've been saying. I'm like, man, we can get somebody in here that can really, you feel me, talk behind this, really,
Right,
want to have an understanding, want to get the full breakdown and all of that.
right.
That's gonna be, that's gonna be awesome.
But like, okay, my thing is this: I notice like you would shut somebody down if they can't answer the like because they usually don't make it past the second question. The first question is literally your opinion, which is, do you believe in gravity? They make it to there, and then anything past that, so like, how is we gonna like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if they don't study Nikola Tesla's papers.
That's all I need from you. That's
But
it.
my okay, so if they don't study Nikola Tesla's papers, how would they know the answer?
Listen. That's the point.
Oh,
That's
okay,
the point.
okay,
Go find these answers.
okay. Where do we find his documents, or like at least like
It's
something?
all on NASA.gov, bro. Everybody to start thinking. You feel me? Start doing your own research and things. Stop letting these people tell you everything. Teach yourself. It's time to teach ourselves. Period.
Fuck. So what about that? What about that theory that if we were on a flat Earth, that everything would fall towards the middle, and trees would the way they would grow would always lean towards the east? Like, is that like how does? Because flat, they say that literally everything would be falling towards the center of the Earth, and then the
They lie.
outside would be dry. Like, how
Lie
does?
about a lot. But really, all magnetics really work behind waves. And this is why trees or none of that will do that and don't do that. It's all behind these waves, radiation waves, electromagnetic radiation wave spectrum, energy involving electric fields and magnetic fields oscillating in phase at right angles to each other. They
Okay.
always you feel me? So it's always balanced.
Okay, so like
Right.
even on the flat Earth, like we want. So I can understand. I understand that, even though that's like a hard concept to follow. Like what they're basing their idea off is the idea of constantly trying to disprove flat Earth, right? So that's why they're saying that everything would fall towards the middle if we followed their train of thought, because they're literally saying flat Earth. There's no way to balance everything out. What you just said with those waves that you just brung up, I can't name each one, but it causes a balance so trees won't be leaning, nothing's gonna fall to the center. Okay, okay. See, I can see. Okay, see, like, now I'm learning. Like now I'm like picking up what you're putting down.
Exactly.
Okay, and what is that second picture that you had up there?
This is see when people be like, oh, this is not magnetic, that's not magnetic. This is 178 Terra Infinita.
Okay.
Somebody came in from beyond these ice walls, man, and they told about the other terrains.
Okay, and
This is
how do we?
Jupiter. This is Jupiter. This is why they proclaim all the planets to be so many light years away. You know how far it is just to travel from Africa to like China. So imagine traveling from here all the way to here. Oh, that'd take a long time, man.
Yeah, 100%. My thing is like, how do we know this is like factual? Like, do we have a way to prove this?
I'd rather have hope in this and believe in this than believe in they no
Yeah.
proof gravity.
Okay, that's actually something I will agree with. Like, I grew up Christian, right?
I'm just saying.
Nowhere as a Christian was we taught that it was a globe. Like, he never said it was a sphere. That's never stated in the Bible, and I know that. Like, I've read the Bible, like at least I think I finished it twice. Like linear wise, I finished it twice. It never says like a sphere. So that whole entire circle idea, that's coming from some type of scientist, right?
Exactly. I mean, it could
Who
be.
who was sponsored by the government, like, well, his higher
Nah,
ups.
it honestly came from a man, bro, that lived beyond the ice walls. He came in, you know what I'm saying? He was the first one that brought this knowledge over to these people back in time. He went back, had a kid. His daughter came in, and she presented. I mean, his wife, and then I believe she had a kid or something, and his daughter found all this information.
Okay, even the Maya, like if you look at Aztecs paintings and their diagrams for how the Earth is flat as well. The
Exactly.
Mayans had
Everywhere.
that idea. Okay. So what is the website I'm supposed to go to?
What you mean for what?
For Nikola Tesla's, like those notes that they're using.
It's on NASA.gov.
NASA.gov. Sorry. All right, bet. All right. I'm gonna let somebody else get in the box. I followed you. I'm finna peep you. I'm finna go like I'm finna do some scrolling. Finna do some, like, you know what I'm saying, like, gotta do my research real quick.
Yeah, right, man. That's all you gotta do, bro. That's that's literally all you gotta do. You're gonna be blown away. Man,
For-
this ain't even all of it.
So these questions are literally the tip of the iceberg, ain't they? Oh, yeah, that.
Oh man.
All right.
But
We all
all right, G. You have a good night, man.
right. You gotta kick me. I don't know how to leave.
Oh, I got, I got you. You be careful, man. Yeah, these ain't even, yeah, it's just a starter pack. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing okay.
That's great. That's great. Do you believe gravity resides in mass?
Yes.
That is awesome. That is awesome. Can you point us in the direction of this element that gravity is emitting from that is inside this mass you proclaim?
I believe that with gravity, it has to have some sort of pull, gravitational pull.
That's awesome. Once again, Miss, can you point us in the direction of this element that gravity emits from?
Well, could I just prove to you that without gravity, you'd be floating? So why aren't you floating right now?
Due to electromagnetism, Miss, there's literally magnetic elements flowing through your bloodstream, and the Earth is magnetic.
Okay, so there's a magnetic pole within us that keeps us down. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir. I mean, yes, Miss. Sorry.
It's fine. I don't.
You,
I
you
don't
meant
mind. So with the magnetic pole,
uh,
can you prove to me what magnets would be in our system?
all the elements within the Earth.
Okay, so we are Earth, is what you're saying.
Yes, you come from the Earth. So,
Mm-hmm.
Miss,
Yeah.
do you have anything behind gravity? Anything else you would like to ask me? Never mind. Just go ahead.
Um, just a question of what metals are really keeping us down instead of floating.
You can go look into it all over the internet, Miss. Is that all you would like to know?
Well, are you talking like heavy metals?
Once again, Miss, you can go dive into it on the internet.
Okay, so what can I Google real quick? Because I tried looking at the other map and all I found was TikTok.
Look into what elemental metals is within
It
our
was called
body.
the Terra and the last picture that you showed.
That's what you was talking about.
Yeah.
I thought you was actually talking about the magnetic elements in our body. Yes, the
No, okay,
last
I'm gonna
picture,
look that.
yes, was
Okay, so
178
magnetic.
Terra Infinita.
I'm gonna look that up right now. Magnetic elements in our body. I'll do that right now. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
No problem. You have a great night.
Take care.
Yeah, can you hear me?
How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
I do.
Can you point us in the direction, sir, of the element that emits gravity? We gotta stop living in insanity, y'all. We gotta stop this insanity. We gotta stop this insanity. How you doing, Tony?
It's all good, man.
What's going on, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Um,
Can you point us in the direction of the element, Tony, that emits gravity?
it's, yeah,
We don't know what is, sir.
yeah, I do.
Come again.
I do.
Do what?
Do accept gravity.
How can you do that, sir? Can you point us in the direction of the element that emits it?
Um, the,
Huh?
the exhaust of a vehicle. Exhaust of a
Sir, we can't hear
vehicle.
you, sir. Can you take your hand off your mouth?
The exhaust
Did you
of a
say exhaust?
vehicle. Yeah,
Sir, we don't
exhaust.
speak baby. We're gonna have to let you down.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing, sir?
Doing good, man.
Sir, do you believe gravity resides off mass?
Of course. Why wouldn't it be?
Great, sir. Great, sir. Can you point us in the direction where this element that emits gravity is that's inside of this mass you proclaim?
The same one you've been talking about all along.
Once again, sir, can you point us in the direction of this element, sir, that you say is inside of this mass that is emitting gravity?
Fire, man.
Did you say fire?
Yeah.
Sir, we cannot find it anywhere that's through anything that literally goes through heat induction that produces gravity.
Man, you're joking, man.
All right, sir, you have a good night. I mean, people don't even know what's under their feet.
All right, bro. So I'm hearing you, and like serious thing. Um, when with two different elements, well, two different substances or whatever, two different people. Let's just put it like
Sir, can
that.
you point
That
us in the direction of the element that emits gravity?
with two different people who have different weights, how do you differentiate their
Or
weight?
once again, sir, can you point us in the direction of the element that emits gravity? Or is everybody living in insanity?
I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to really understand what you're saying. So I'm just trying to understand the difference between two people, a heavy set person and a lighter person, standing on a scale,
It
one
has
weighing
nothing to
one.
do with gravity, sir. If you can't point us in the direction of the element that emits it.
That has everything to do with gravity because do people weigh two different amounts?
That's cool, sir. So can you point us in the direction of your element that emit gravity?
Yeah, in a fat person, whatever the element is that makes them
What?
fat, and then the lighter person.
You was wrong. That boy disrespectful, man. Oh boy. Oh, Brad.
Hey,
Sir, I see
are
your
you
back,
ready
sir.
to let's
Do
have
you
a
believe
real
gravity still resides
conversation?
in mass?
Okay, I'll answer the question.
Oh, you have
No,
to, sir. Do you
gravity.
believe gravity still resides in mass?
I'm answering the question.
Thank
Gravity
you,
does
sir.
not reside in mass.
Uh huh.
Here's what I'll tell you. Ready?
Go ahead.
Gravity is a
Yeah.
force of nature that is
Uh huh.
created by mass. And now ask your next question. I
Did you
already
say
know what
by
it is.
mass,
Can I
sir?
point you in the direction
Sir, once
of the
again, you just
element?
said mass, sir. Great, sir. Thank you. Sir, where is the element, sir, that emits gravity, sir, that's inside this mass you proclaim?
Yes, I'm ready to answer this question as well, but I would like to actually answer it
Please give
and
us
not
the
be
answer.
cut off
This is
and
what the
ended.
whole live is about, is everybody living in
Great.
insanity.
There is no element
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So that means
that
gravity doesn't
is
exist. You have a
gravity.
great night, sir.
Something can exist.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Do I believe gravity resides within mass? So the world is a mass and gravity is inside it.
Thank you.
What do
Can
you
you
mean?
point us to the direction of the element that emits gravity?
So earth, air, and water.
Once again, miss, can you point us in the direction of the element that emits gravity?
What are your elements? They're earth, air, water, and fire.
It's
I know
your
you all.
gravity
Come
element you
on. I've been
proclaim to
here
be here.
before.
Where is it at? Are
Come
you
on.
hiding this rock? Are you hiding this rock, miss? Where's the rock?
Have you walked off the edge of the earth?
Miss, we want your gravity rock. Where's it at?
What
Are you
happened?
hiding it in your back pocket?
I thought you were talking about electromagnetic
No, we're
fields.
talking about your gravity rock, miss. Where is it? You
How
said
many
it's
times are
here.
you going to
Are
change
you
your
hiding it?
reasoning?
We think you hiding the rock, miss. Do you have the rock?
Don't give me the countdown. Hold on.
You know it's
How
coming.
do you change your reasoning?
You don't have much time.
No. The girl said four, three,
Where's the rock?
one, two, three, four.
We want
What
the
do you mean
element,
that?
miss. Where is this rock you keep hiding from everybody
You're
that you
standing on it. What
proclaim?
do you mean?
No, you're lying now.
Well,
Okay, see, miss, you got to give us the element. We want this element that you proclaim to be inside this massive rock. Where is it at? You saying it's on Earth? Huh?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hey, how you doing, sir? How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yeah, I do.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Where is this element that emits gravity? All right. It's people living in insanity, or people
Oh,
living in. Hello.
I didn't mean to request. My
Oh,
bad.
it's okay. No proof for gravity. This is crazy. How you doing? How you doing? Do you still believe gravity resides within mass?
Yes.
Can you point us in the direction of the element that is emitting gravity?
Your critical mass mama.
That's the best you got.
No, you don't
Yo, hey, what's up?
How you doing? How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yeah, I do.
Can you point us in the direction of the element, sir, that is emitting your gravity? Appreciate the love, y'all.
At the center of the head, man. At the center of the head, the core there, man.
Come again?
At the center of the head, the core there.
Okay. How you doing, sir? Do you believe gravity resides within mass, sir? And can you point us in the direction of this here gravity, or is everyone believing in a globe living in insanity?
Yeah, so basically,
Bruh, y'all be killing me. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Doing pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing great, sir. Do you believe gravity resides behind mass?
Yes, I do.
Can you point us in the direction of this element, sir, that gravity is emitting from?
Yes, I can. I'm currently pointing at your damn hairline. There's obvious.
Oh, it's gonna be some nonsense. It's that good, healthy, thick hair, though. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, how are you?
How you doing, sir? How you doing, sir? Do you believe
I'm
gravity
good, thanks.
resides behind mass, sir? Within mass, behind, affect
I
mass,
don't,
from effect from
I
mass,
don't,
however you want to put it.
I don't know. But I had another question.
Come again?
Can I ask? I had another question.
Sir, did
So
you
the
have the
question
question, sir? Do
was,
you believe gravity resides within mass?
no, I don't know. But I wanted to ask you: is the Earth flat? And if it is, where's the edge?
The edge is turned up to me with the dome, sir.
Can you explain that?
The edge is turned up to me with the dome. Have a good night. You stay mad, Ashley. You stay mad.
Yo, can you hear me?
Huh? Yes, I can hear you, sir. Do you believe gravity resides behind mass or within mass or from an effect from mass?
Yeah.
Can you please point us in the direction of this element that is making all of this happen?
It'd be all elements.
Come again, sir?
It would be all elements, technically. Technically.
We can't find this element on Earth, so it's not. So once again, sir, can you point us in the direction of this element that is emitting gravity?
So if everything, comes from Earth and you can't debunk it because it comes from Earth, wouldn't that mean like, because you believe in like Jupiter and Saturn and the rest of the
No, I
planets,
don't
correct?
believe in your space, sir. Since you believe in
Or
space, sir, who's ever made it through the chaos layer, sir, which has yet to be speculated?
do you believe that they're projections then?
Sir, can you answer, sir? Who has made it through the chaos layer, sir, that has yet to be speculated? What
I'm still trying to
satellite,
think.
person,
Yeah, no, I'm going back
spaceship,
on that
what's
before.
made it through that?
No, like, do you believe like seeing stars in the sky, are they
Sir, did you hear
projections?
me, sir?
Yeah, say that again.
Okay, sir. Once again, sir, what's made it through the chaos layer, sir, which has yet to be speculated? What satellite, what spaceship, what human being?
Yeah, so Voyager 1.
Once again, sir, has yet to be speculated.
And what do you mean by that? Elaborate, please.
It has yet to be questioned, guessed upon, basically researched, any of that, because they're too scared to get close.
Get close as in what? What are we speculating?
It's called the chaos layer of the upper atmosphere, sir, above the magnetosphere.
And you're talking about the radiation, like the Van Allen belt and stuff like that.
This is called basically, you can refer to that, but they basically say it's called the chaos layer, sir, and they have yet to speculate it. So I would like to know, sir, what's made it out to your proclaimed space?
Got it. So like, as in the Voyager 1, like there is
How
like
did the
millions of
Voyager 1
miles.
make it through, sir? Can you explain that, sir, when it has yet to be speculated?
So if something did make it through, then how would we perceive it as it did go through? Then would we
Sir, it has
believe
yet
that?
to be speculated. Sir, can you elaborate?
Yeah. So is it by speculated? Do you mean like
It has yet to be researched. Anything? Yes.
as in
Yes.
that?
Yes. Yes.
Doesn't that seem kind of like back and forth, like redundant by saying that?
No.
Because if I say like we can observe the Voyager 1 that we sent off that's taking
Sir,
pictures
once
and
again, sir, they have yet to speculate the chaos layer. So what's made it through?
and does the chaos layer in this case have to exist?
Sir, this is on NASA.gov, so I believe it does, according to them in your
Yeah.
science.
Yeah.
Sir, so once again, sir, what's made it through?
Wait, if it's on NASA.gov, don't you not trust NASA?
What? No, I don't trust fake science.
Wouldn't that be NASA then in your case?
Fake science, globe Earth. Sir, once again, sir, what made it through?
Uh, Voyager 1,
How did
Apollo
it
11.
make it through the chaos layer, sir? Once again, it has yet to be speculated.
They had sent it through, and it is it's in space right now. We can actually
That's
observe it.
but they haven't speculated this section, sir. So how?
They have though. They have speculated because we have made it through this.
NASA.gov says they have yet to
Speculated as in you meaning full definition of
research any research upon it.
yeah, just like the research you would say about
Huh?
electromagnetism and
No, not
gravity
at all,
itself.
sir. We have research behind that. Once again, sir, they have yet to do any research beyond the chaos layer. So, what's made it through? The chaos layer has never been researched because it's too
Okay, okay.
dangerous.
Then let's
So,
backtrack
once
and I'll
again, sir,
say
what made it through the chaos layer? Because it's too dangerous for anything to get
okay. Let's agree
anywhere
for one
near it.
second, and I'll agree with you in this case in saying that nothing's made it through yet.
Well, I'm just trying to
We
get to the
can't.
bottom of what's going
Yeah,
on with your
no, I know.
space.
Me too, man. Me too, brother. And like, so let's agree just on, nothing can get through what the chaos. You said the chaos. What is the term you're using?
They call it the
Chaos layer.
chaos layer, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
They're
So
right
let's
above the
agree on that. Like, nothing
magnetosphere.
can get past the chaos layer.
Do you know about the
Then
magnetosphere? Do you even that's before the chaos? You
you're
want to
talking
know
about
about the magnetosphere? This is before chaos.
okay. Then you're talking about that refers back to your electromagnetism.
No, this is just this is in the sky, sir. The magnetosphere. This is
Could you elaborate?
literally right before the chaos layer, like literally.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Could you
yeah. No
elaborate,
problem.
please, just a little bit
No
on
problem. No
the
problem.
magnetosphere?
Yeah, no problem. No problem. It says region of the upper atmosphere extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged
Mm-hmm.
particles are trapped in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's how we can actually defer light, as in the sky's blue. That's why the sky is blue because of that layer.
Sir, they proclaim this layer of the atmosphere literally stops and trap any charged particles like exhaust, engine, burn off,
And
all
has
that.
that been fully
So,
speculated or researched?
no, because it's too dangerous.
Okay, so then it's a
As you can,
theory.
huh?
Then it's a theory.
No. This has been speculated all the way. Yes, all the way through, sir. I'm talking.
Okay.
What hasn't been speculated is the chaos layer, but yes, the magnetosphere. Yes. This is where
So
they
we've
try
been
to.
to the magnetosphere. We have done research, but we just can't get past
Yes,
that to the chaos.
This is where they try to always, get through and almost do, and then it gets to the chaos layer, and yes, everything's
And we just can't
horrible.
get through it. Okay.
Yeah.
So in regard
So
to that, then what do you see as in when you see stars in the sky or other planets in the sky?
just
Are those
luminaries built into the dome.
okay? So even if they are changing phases, and you can actually observe them with your own eye through either a high telescopic lens, you can see shooting stars, all that is more of just projections.
I've never seen a shooting star shoot up.
Shooting stars shoot up.
Yes, I've never seen one shoot up. It always
Yeah,
going down or something.
yeah. It's because you're the observer. If you actually take
No, sir. If we're floating in space on a ball, we should be able to see a shooting star literally shoot up by that ball.
how
Sir,
would you
go
be
ahead.
able to? How would you? how would you be able to see, like, say if you were to point a laser pointer straight up in the sky, above your eye, you would just see
No, my point
technically a
is,
dot.
sir, my point is we always see them
Uh,
coming down as like this, like coming down. They're always coming down. We never see them shoot up.
I mean, I'm
And then
pretty
the
sure
ones
I've
they
seen one shoot
proclaim
up.
that, and then the ones that they do and try to proclaim are just people mistaken rocket tests. But yes, sir.
But from the okay, so from the observer, because and let's just agree to disagree here, whether it is a dome or is it a globe. Let's just agree, just in this general explanation.
Uh,
If you were to hold something as in an exercise, one of those half balls that would be representing your model, or would be my model would be a full exercise ball. If you were to, put a little bitty person on there representing us, and you were to enact what we see in the night sky, whether it be a projection or real, it kind of that's gives you your explanation of why things look the way that they are, as in your shooting star going up or down. You can actually observe the shooting star, meteor, whatever you want to call it, going multiple directions. But the reason why you never see it technically go away from you is because the way you're observing is so small and minute compared to how big and far away that is. So of course it'll look a certain
sir,
way
we
to
will not
you.
allow our brains to be manipulated. Sir, we know we should see it shoot up with the sky. But yes,
Do you
what do you
mean
have
when
next?
you say shoot up? Do you
Yes,
mean
shoot up,
vertical?
shoot up.
Like at
Yes.
Okay, so you mean like not see a trail? You're just gonna see it shoot away from you.
Trail, all of that, sir. We want to see it all going upward projection.
So basically away from you. Like shooting
Sir, when
away
it's
from you
coming
would be
down,
technically being upward.
is it coming toward you?
No, it's not.
All right, sir. So once again, upward, any upward projection. Thank you. Sir, what else would you like to talk about?
Okay, electromagnetism versus gravity.
What verse is there? What verses is there, sir?
I think this is like kind of back before I started talking again. You were talking about how instead of gravity, you're referring to electromagnetism holding everything down
Sir,
to
how
Earth.
can we imply gravity into anything? Once again, sir, can you
Yeah,
point us in the direction of the element that emits
yeah,
gravity?
yeah, yeah. And talking about that is just like electromagnetism and what you're saying, an element that it pulls down. We know that Earth has an
The element
electromagnetic
behind
field.
electromagnetism, sir, is fire.
I'm sorry.
The element behind electromagnetism is fire.
Not. Are you
Uh,
saying it is based off of fire in general?
yes, sir. Fire
Is that
ignite
sourced from
ignited
NASA.gov?
the fire ignited elements and turned them elements into magma from the molten heat. But yeah.
Yeah. So, and you're saying, okay, in that case, then you're talking about
So once
the
again,
core. I'm guessing.
where's your energy for gravity though? What element?
Yeah. So with electromagnetism and gravity, they're actually pretty similar. There's just one little difference is because electromagnetism actually has a positive and negative charge, and that can be proven and has been researched because there's neutrons and protons that have a plus and minus sign. That is
You said
general.
that can be proven. That's inside of electromagnetism, sir. Are you sure about this?
Uh,
Sir,
anything,
this is
anything.
a this is actually what this is what electromagnetism actually and truly means. Electromagnetism, science of charge and of the forces and fields associated with charge. Electricity and magnetism
Hmm.
are two aspects of electromagnetism,
Hmm.
which is responsible for far more than just electricity and magnetism. It is the force that binds negatively charged electrons to positively charged electrons.
Yes.
What were you saying?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. So
No,
we
you
agree
weren't.
on that.
No,
Is
you
that
weren't.
it has a negative charge and a positive charge, meaning that it pushes and pulls.
No, you said it didn't. Anyway,
Oh, I must have misheard me or something. I was agreeing with you on that.
okay,
That it did have a positive and negative charge.
right.
Um,
Go ahead.
because of that, why would everything
Sir,
fall
do you
toward.
know that we can literally see what happens behind magnetics? We can, because
Yeah, with
magnetic
photons.
waves literally obey the laws of optics. Do you know that?
Yes, with photons.
Yes, and do you know what photons are actually created and made of?
Very small atoms and particles.
Actually, sir, photons are made of quantums of electromagnetic energy.
Which are consisted of very, very, very small particles and atoms.
Electrons.
That's a
And sir,
general
do you
term.
know
Yeah, that's
we
conceptual.
have physicalities behind electromagnetism?
Yeah, we do.
Yes, yes, sir. That we don't have behind
We can
gravity.
actually produce electromagnetism.
Yes, we can. Sir, do you know that though we do not have any physicalities behind gravity?
Okay, so in this case, that's the difference that I was trying to get at. Is because gravity, there's that one small difference, is that it only has in electrical term, it only has one charge, and that is a negative charge, which is a pull charge. As an versus an electromagnetism or any type of term you want to use, it has a positive and
Sir, it
negative.
has no charge actually. Can you point us in the direction of a gravitron?
Yeah, that was just an analogy. I wasn't actually saying that gravity has a charge.
You just said that out your mouth,
As an analogy.
but you just said that.
Do you know what an analogy is?
Yeah, but it wasn't that honestly. You meant that. Go ahead, sir.
No, I don't believe that gravity has a specific charge, but I was just.
I got a major question for you, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
Was gravitrons flowing through the gases during the Big Bang?
Do you believe in the Big Bang? Or
Can
are
you
you just
answer the
using that as a
question?
reference?
Sir, can you answer the question?
Could you repeat the question?
Were gravitrons flowing through the gases of the Big Bang?
Mm, is this a rhetorical question?
No, it is not, sir. This is a real question. I know you know. I know you know they don't exist. So no, they weren't. Right? Okay, there it is, sir. So gravity wasn't even in existence during the Big Bang. So it couldn't have been warping or bending space and time at all, you guys. All
So
right,
why does
sir.
the Big Bang have to exist?
That's your science, and I'm just debunking it. Yes, sir. Anything else?
Yeah, so if we observe whether or not the sun and the moon rotate around us, or whether we rotate around the sun, and as well as the planets that are projections, why does everything fall towards the Earth at a constant rate of 9.8 meters per second, as
I'm
observed through
glad you mentioned
electromagnetism?
things rotating around the sun, sir. Why don't we ever see Venus rotating around the sun during the day?
Ooh, what do you mean by that?
Just like I said.
Just like we can't see most of the night sky during the day because of light pollution.
Once again, sir, why can't we ever see these planets rotating in the sky during the day when the sun is in our local atmosphere?
Are you saying why can we see the sun but not the other planets?
Once again, sir, the sun is in our local atmosphere. Why can't we see these other planets rotating around the sun as you guys proclaim?
That's where we wouldn't be able to come to common ground because I don't believe that is in our atmosphere. Now, in your diagram, is the sun below the chaos layer?
Of course.
Okay, so we are able to go to the sun and observe it.
You want to go to the sun, sir?
But I'm saying is if we've never been to the chaos layer outside of it, then we could be able to observe the moon and sun that is capable and observable because it is below the chaos layer and the magnosphere.
Yes, that is possible. You got to go talk
Okay,
to them
then
people.
okay, so do you believe
Sir,
that we went to the moon because it is there we are able to reach it?
do you know glass is actually magnetic?
Everything has a very whether it's plastic or anything has a very 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 small electromagnetic field.
All right. Great answer, sir. Great answer.
Yeah. So why do things as in such as
So,
a huge tungsten?
if everything has a very small magnetic field, doesn't that mean everything is attracted to the Earth?
Uh, yes, everything is attracted there, just as in everything is attracted to every other planet that we observe, as in they stay on those as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
just like the rings on Saturn, which I have observed through my actual physical eye through a telescopic lens at different points of the sky at different times of the year.
And can you give us the man name, sir, that have flown out to Saturn to prove their claim of it being a physical terrain?
Saturn is actually mostly gas. I wouldn't say it'd be mostly terrain, but it's mostly gases. You can actually observe this with
Yes,
your
you're
own
right. It is
eye.
gas, sir, because it's just luminary. It's just a
Okay.
luminary. But
Okay. So,
yeah,
have we been able to prove the moon then, or is that a projection as well?
the moon is in our local atmosphere.
How is it in our local atmosphere? Just because we can see it better than most?
I didn't create the Earth. And did you know the Big Bang was actually, sir, a hypothesized theory?
Yes, it is a hypothesized theory.
And do you know black holes are theoretical concepts?
Yes, they are.
All right, so space don't exist.
Big Bang and black holes don't have to do with all of space. Actually, there's nebulas, there's planets, there's other galaxies shaped other than the Milky Way. I mean, there's multiple things within the you know space or the universe that doesn't have to revolve around the Big Bang or black holes, which black holes are a theory. Which we observe by its gravitational pull because of its mass. Light can't even escape it. That's why we can't really see it. But we see it by years, hundreds of years ago, how some stars aren't in the same position or how some planets are in the same position because we don't have an even orbit around everything.
Sir, do you know what they call Whistler?
I don't. Can you enlighten me?
Whistler is electromagnetic, ultra low frequency, sir, radiation observed in planetary magnetosphere energized by lightning and other discharges.
Mm-hmm.
This is,
Okay.
this is within the magnetosphere, like basically giving the magnetosphere its power.
So you're saying, what point are you trying to get at with that?
Oh, if you try to fly through this, sir, your whole machine would just shut down.
Okay, and I was trying to kind of talk on the basis of saying, also agreeing with you that we could not get through that because there's some flawed logic. If because I'm putting myself in your shoes and thinking that we can't get through it, so there's a little flawed logic on saying why certain like Saturn and Jupiter and stuff don't exist, but the moon and sun do. But we're also saying that we haven't observed the sun and moon, even though it's below the chaos layer. So why haven't we actually observed the moon, gotten pieces of it? Why is NASA lying about that?
They
But
don't
it's
want
in our.
people to they don't want people to see them flying off into the moon right here in the local atmosphere, sir.
Okay, so do all governments come to an agreement, even North Korea versus like?
We're not about to talk about conspiracies. Can you prove gravity, sir?
Well, I thought in your logic that wasn't a conspiracy. That it's true. So if they're trying to
This is
keep it
not public
secret,
information, sir. We won't be speaking on it no more about on my lives until I get my second account up.
okay, okay. So I mean, I guess going back to well, it's kind of hard to base it off of like projections because like how can the whole world keep it a secret from every single cultural
So are you
and
done?
demographic? What's up?
Are you done?
I mean, I'd love to talk more. This is kind of we're getting
All
somewhere.
right. Yeah. I'm gonna let the next guest up. I think all you have left are your conspiracies. We're not gonna talk no conspiracies. Is this insanity, y'all? We living in insanity? I'm just saying. Oh, it's almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm about to get some rest out here, y'all. Hit the follow button, y'all. Hit the follow button. What's going on, sir? Do you still believe gravity resides behind mass?
Gravity resides in all mass, every
Thank you, sir. Correct,
element.
sir.
We
Can you
talk,
point us in
we
an
talk
element that
about this.
actually emits gravity?
All elements contribute for the gravity. Critical mass contributes to gravity. So if you don't
Once
have
again, sir, can
critical
you point
mass,
us in the exact
you don't
element, sir,
have
that
gravity. I'm
that
still
emits?
talking. I'm still talking.
Sir, if you
I'm
want to
still
be
talking.
argumentative, I'll let you down.
No, but I was still talking and you interrupted me.
You said all
If you
elements.
want to let
We
people
need the.
talk, I'm okay. Sorry?
What's up?
How you doing? How you doing, troll? How you doing?
I'm not a troll, you're a troll. Hold on, alright.
What's happening? What's going on?
So,
So do you have
I need
gravity?
your new question. I need your new question. You gotta repeat your new question for me. You know what I mean. What's your question right now? Come on. Yeah, you know,
Oh,
bro. You've kicked me off this like 9 times. Come on. Come on. Tell me what your new question is. I need to hear the question.
I got you. I got you. I got
Alright, let's go.
you.
Give me the
Do you
question.
believe? Do you, do you believe
Quit
gravity
play.
resides with? Do you believe gravity resides within mass?
Yes. Yes, I
Thank you. Thank
do.
you.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
All
trying to
right.
understand you too, bro. I've been telling you, but you won't let me.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. Can you point us in the direction of the element that is emitting this, gravity within this mass?
Can you confirm with me that your elements are fire, earth, water, and air? Come
Yes.
on, Cooper. All right, those are your elements.
This girl is hilarious. The elements of nature, miss.
No. Just tell,
What are you doing? Stay.
am I still on here?
You know you still there.
Nah, for real. My phone's ringing. But all right,
See? Oh boy.
Hello.
Hey, what's happening?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah,
What's
can
up
you
with it,
ask
sir?
the
Do you
question?
do you still believe gravity resides within mass?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Perfect, sir. Can you point us in the direction of the element that is emitting gravity?
So, have you heard of the Go flow before? Have you heard of it?
Can you point us in the direction of the element, sir?
It's related to the question.
Do, oh, bro. Y'all hilarious, bro. Ain't that dope?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. I try not to laugh, but bro comes on every time. It makes me laugh. All right. So to answer the first question, yes, I believe in gravity. Now, to the second question you always ask, to what element? I just found out about element 115, which emits its own gravity, and it also has an anti-gravitational, like
And where was this element created?
in a lab. Well, no. Oh, but wait, because wait. On my life, listen, no, it was synthesized in a lab. Like it was isolated to see.
Oh,
Sorry. I had to clarify. I said it wrong. Okay, they had to isolate it from other elements that were surrounding it to
right,
understand
sir.
how it
Why
worked.
did they have to do that too as well, sir?
Because it was something I thought it was something that already resided in the ground, but they had to understand how it worked, how it has its own gravitational pull. I mean, it's from the Earth, right? And it does have something to do
No,
with electromagnetism.
it's literally chemical, sir.
What?
Huh? What do you mean?
Wait. Okay, so you're telling me element 115 is a chemical?
Sir, go
Yes.
look deeper into it, sir. What do you mean?
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, cuz this is crazy. Listen, it is five in the morning and you're confused. Like, I've been joining live, coming back with new information. No matter how much I try, it's like I can't get it right.
This is why everybody, sir, that try to go against the flat earth or
your
try to
shit's echoing,
debunk the
bro.
flat earth become a flat earther.
I ain't
This is
gonna
how it
lie.
starts.
Yeah, my
This is how
pastor.
this, this is how you start with the thinking though. Imagine if we wake up the masses though. For real, man. No
Yeah,
game.
my, yeah, my pastor finna be real mad at me because I'm right finna tell everybody I know right now. It's finna go straight down like that, bro. Because this is crazy. This is crazy. So you telling me, okay. So they can make new elements and and like
You can't
and
have four at the same time, bro. It's not working. Someone's echoing.
you said
Huh?
what? How did he let in this many people at once? That's crazy. I didn't know you
I
could do
just,
that.
yeah, I just decided to.
Oh man, okay. So you're telling me that element 115, like, okay, so what are the, so you're aware of element 115 because everyone somehow was able to answer it as if they just knew about it, and I'm just slow and I'm just now figuring this out. So, so you telling me that like this was something that's like one, it's globally known. Two,
Oh boy,
it's something that
sir,
had to been
this is very old.
what? What the?
Yes. Maybe even man, they showed this to you in movies.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, for real.
Oh my god, bro! I'm gonna get
There are
mad.
several synthetic elements made by man.
What?
This is why they
Uranium.
stick to their periodic
Several types.
table. This is
Listen,
why I say
Several types of
I ain't gonna.
uranium that are used in nuclear weapons are synthesized by man. So
All right. Well,
this
I
is why
have
I'd be
something.
like the element must come from the earth. Nature's periodic
no,
table.
no.
Nature's periodic table. Totally
Okay.
different.
Element,
Totally
Elements
different.
can be synthesized. Elements can be synthesized.
So
There
you
are
tell me we are.
artificial elements.
So we just. I was making stuff. I'm gonna get mad. Why is y'all laughing? I'm serious. Like this is
Some
making me.
people are making stuff up.
Brother, they
Bro,
making
ain't
it.
nothing.
No game.
Ain't gonna
They
lie. So
make it.
look. So we. You know the
One
truth.
thing
You know the
that
truth.
I thought it was very funny is for you to think that elements are fire, earth, water, and air. What the hell? There is
Not
a
Earth.
periodic table. There is a periodic table
That's
with all the
nature's
elements with
periodic
their
table, sir.
respective masses.
That's nature's elemental table. What are you talking about? That's the yeah.
The periodic
Have you
table
heard of it?
as
You ever heard of nature's? Have you
periodic
ever heard of
table as the elements.
huh?
Research periodic table, and you'll see the
We're
elements
not
and their
talking about
respective
periodic.
mass.
We're not talking about periodic, sir. We're talking about nature's elements.
Yeah, but the periodic table has the chemical signs of all mass on Earth and some outside Earth.
Yeah.
So,
Once again, sir, not the periodic table. Nature's elements.
but if you search for periodic table, you'll see the mass for each element. You'll see it. You didn't have chemistry.
That's great,
You
sir.
didn't
That's
have
great,
chemistry.
sir.
You're
So where
laughing.
can we
You're
find
laughing.
this element that emits gravity?
Bro, you better
It's
answer
not.
this question. The way you just
It's not
debunked what I
one.
said, you better answer the question, bro.
It's not one element that
It's nothing
emits
that
gravity.
emits.
All
I just
elements.
Bro
answered
is
it.
really a
So
flat
where can
earther.
we find this
There's
particular
mass.
element, sir, that emits gravity?
Look.
Bro, what
If
does
you
it
You
let
said
matter?
me,
there's all. There's not all, sir, because we can't find
can
it.
can
I
I
found
speak,
it.
We
please?
can't
Can I
find your
speak?
element you proclaiming, sir. Where is it? Do you know where it's at? Are
It's
you
not
hiding it?
one element.
Antarctica.
It's not one element.
Are you
Why
the
do
one
you
hiding the
think it's
element?
why
It's
do
in
you
my
think it's
house.
one element?
Sir, are you hiding the element that you proclaiming and standing so hard
Yes,
behind?
yes,
Hey,
yes.
sir. Wait. Hey,
I'm
hold on, hold on,
asking
hold on,
you,
hold on.
why do
Hey,
you think it's one element? Why? Why one?
I'm
We just
guessing
want
Nickel.
your gravity element, not just one, just yours.
No, not mine. You're making up stuff like
Bro,
one
you
Huh?
can't
element.
talk. You think the earth is flat.
What element? You're pushing one
Can
narrative.
you prove to me the earth is not flat? Okay, sir. All right, y'all want to play these games. Let's get to it. Every Gloober on the
I
love
see
line
y'all
right
done
now.
got them started. I ain't
Can
finna ask
y'all, huh? What?
you finna ask questions that we definitely don't know
Yeah,
now.
exactly. Since you want to play games. All right, let's go. Huh? Can y'all give me gravity's body plan?
Your hairline.
Which
Bro,
is
tell
a
You want me
architectural
to go?
arrangement of a biological structure.
You want me to go Google like you're doing right now?
Go ahead, take your time. It doesn't matter, sir. You'll never find it. Once
If
again,
you want,
I got
This
another
go
dude,
question
ahead.
for
you
y'all.
really think
Were
the
Go
earth
ahead.
is in
gravitrons?
a dome?
Excuse me,
You
sir. Were
think the earth is in a
gravitrons? Sir,
dome? Are
were
you serious right
gravitrons?
now?
Sir, hey, were gravitrons inside of the gas that they say caused the Big Bang?
Not the gas, but inside the singularity that created the Big Bang.
I don't
So are
There
believe that.
was
gravitrons there?
there was gravity inside the singularity because the singularity has always gravity inside. It has all the
Good, sir.
mass
Were
contained
gravitons
in
there?
one
Sir, were
singularity.
gravitons there?
The
Sir?
gravitons
Yes.
are there.
Did
Yes.
gravitons pull up?
Before the Big Bang, there was gravity inside one
Sir,
singularity.
did your
All the mass
gravitrons pull up or no,
combined.
sir? Did your
Wait a minute. How
gravitrons
can
pull up or no?
something exist with no mass?
So
What?
your gravitrons didn't show up? All right. So,
Okay.
okay. They were not a part of the Big Bang. Gravity was never even created
Putting,
into
you're
existence.
putting
Hey,
words in
Bro,
my
how would you
mouth.
know you
I
weren't
didn't
there,
say
dude?
that. I didn't say that. Words in my
Gravity was
mouth.
never
But
made into existence.
I'm going to open Google so that we are on the same level. If you are googling shit, I'm going to Google shit, and then I'll dialogue with
Oh, I'm not Googling crap. Curse.
So
Google
do
Who
you
got that
something.
believe?
echo?
So do you believe
okay.
Hey, who
space
got
is
that
fake?
echo?
Do you
Okay,
believe
wait.
space is fake, dude?
Okay, never mind. It went away. Turn ju-
Do you believe space is
Somebody got an
fake?
echo. Who got an echo?
I don't. I'm straight.
He don't believe in space. Hello?
Hello? Okay. I'm going to say this though. I don't believe in the Big Bang theory, and in the Book of Enoch they speak of a firmament, so I'm not like totally outside the idea that there is a dome type structure above the earth. I am not against that because I am a Christian who actually is interested in the other books of the Bible that are not in the Bible, like the Apocrypha and all that. So I'm not past this idea. It's just very humbling. I'll say
Bro,
that.
you gotta hold the debate going.
Huh?
You gotta hold the debate going. You got 5 of us in here now.
I ain't gonna lie. It's
Yeah,
not
y'all gonna need each
first,
other, and
first,
you're still not
first,
gonna win.
first off. I'm sorry, ma'am. This is not a debate. This has been one sided the whole time. Swear to God. He's
It's been one-sided the whole time.
he's
But you came back with a new theory 2 hours later. I was on your live 2 hours ago, bro. And now you changed your story. Come on.
Miss,
You
He
Miss,
knows.
know,
He
you
knows.
know
He knows,
I'm
man.
right. You know I'm
Miss,
right. You changed your
Miss,
story.
Miss.
Come on, wait,
It's
can
all
I ask you
reside.
something?
It's all reside behind gravity.
I
Miss,
got a
can you
serious question.
the
Miss,
story that
Serious
you're saying.
do
question.
you believe gravity resides
Yes.
within mass?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you
Okay.
prove this to us here today?
Yeah, so, but I got a question. Because you were talking about electromagnetism earlier. So, like, you want to talk about
With the
magnetism on the
echo.
earth,
Okay,
right?
you're the one.
Right? You talking?
Yes,
Yeah, he was
yes.
going echoing. All right, so you say that the Earth is magnetic. Now, look, I'm trying to like level with you, okay? So the aurora borealis is attracted to our northern and southern poles, which are magnetic fields. All right. So like
North, south,
I'm.
as
But look,
above,
look,
so
look.
below.
Wait, let's go. Let's like hear me out, please.
Huh?
I chase the night sky, okay? Like I literally go out and photograph this, okay?
I thought you were
So if you're looking like if you're thinking about the aurora, all right, it's literally electrically charged
Which emits from the hollow
particles.
earth. Uh huh.
They're radioactive electrically charged particles from the sun. They eject from a coronal
From the
mass
hollow.
ejection. Hold on, hear
Okay.
me out, please. Hear me out. They
Oh no,
come
go ahead.
from
Go ahead.
all right. It's all right. We call them CMEs. Okay, they come out of this coronal mass ejection, and they come to Earth, and they attract to the North and South Pole. So to a point, you're right. Like the Earth is magnetic in a sense. All right, but I'm trying to understand on your level how are we magnetic? That's what I want to know because look, I can stand in a
You ask
fucking
this question
200
every
story
time you
building.
come on this live. You know that?
Don't don't kick me, bro. Come on. Come on. We
Why
always
you
got a good
always ask the
conversation. Don't
same
do it.
question? I tell you, you got magnetic elements flowing within and through your bloodstream. This is
Not,
not
no,
fake,
yep,
friend.
and I already told you I can hold on. Here, listen. I've worked with metal detectors, okay? And we got enough iron in our blood to shut off like to kick on a metal detector. It will reject parts
Right.
over your
Yes.
iron in your blood, okay?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I hear
Right.
you. I hear you. But hear me. I don't think we got enough iron in our blood to stick to the ground. And then you talking about the earth is magnetic, bro. You believe in magma, right? You believe in
Yes.
magma.
Okay.
How is
Mag-
the earth magnetic with that amount of heat? Because we demagnetize magnets with heat. Help me understand. Help me understand.
Miss, do you know the deeper you go, the larger the elements become?
But your elements are earth, fire, water, and air. So if we're earth, water,
Miss,
and
once again.
air,
No,
and
miss.
we're
Oh, and once again, though, I gotta remind you of this too. I did not create the earth. I can't tell you the whys behind things. I didn't create Earth. Just how your science didn't. You
Wait,
know, they
wait,
can't even make
no,
Earth
listen.
right now.
Hey, you wanna talk? Somebody was talking about, she's probably I have my own thoughts. I'm not vaccinated. I don't do any of that. Okay, that's not me. So I believe in some of the things that you worry about. Okay, but one thing that I gotta bust your bubble on, bro, is I can't walk off the edge of the earth.
Because the edges turn up to me with the dome. You right?
Then so what? So are we like we're like an inside out ball? We're on the inside of a ball, or what? What do you mean? Like I don't understand. Because how do we can continue through the
This is
water?
not all of Earth.
Come on, bro. Help
Bro,
me understand. I
Yeah,
don't
this
get
is
it.
not. I know you
do
don't.
you
You're
have
not
some
trying to
sort of
help
Wait,
me.
wait,
religious belief or
okay,
something?
so
It's
Why do you
not
think
now
all
there's
of
can you
that?
Earth.
show? Wait, wait,
There's
wait.
more
How's
to the
that
Earth.
possible? How's
Oh,
that
because
possible? If we know of
it's
7
possible.
continents,
Be
how is
Miss
that map
Miss.
possible?
Slow down. It's possible because nobody can prove gravity. That's how.
That's not possible. We don't know that many lands. We
Just
don't know
because
all
you
them
haven't
lands,
been
bro.
told. Just because you haven't been told that.
okay,
What
wait.
you mean?
Ma'am,
Have
can
But
I
I
you?
just
You
seen that.
can't tell me nothing behind your gravity though.
like
But you can't tell me nothing about Wi-Fi either. Oh, you can't see it. You
Are
Hold
can't
you
on,
see the
hold
talking
on,
about a
hold
oxygen
on,
we
carrier signal,
breathe.
Miss?
hold on.
You
Miss,
can't
are you
hear.
talking
You
about a
can't see the
carrier signal?
oxygen.
Carrier signal, electric magnetic wave, whose
And what is
modulations
that? Is that man-made?
are used as signals in
Okay. Are you telling
televisions
me?
and other radio
Are you telling me the
transmission.
flat Earth is man-made? Then is that
So
what you're trying to tell me?
Wi-Fi actually,
Wi-Fi is
functions through
man-made.
Yes,
magnetic.
satellites are
Miss,
man-made, and
are
the
you gonna
satellites
calm
are in
down?
outer
Can
Satellites
we
space.
have
are
a thorough conversation?
man-made. All these
Satellites
Miss,
are
radios,
man-made. They're in
hey,
outer
hey,
space.
Miss,
radios man-made. Can we talk about this?
Miss,
Is the Earth, is your flat Earth man-made? Is that what you're telling me?
Miss. Are you
Yeah,
going to
first of
have
all,
a
who created the
logical,
so-called dome?
calm, casual conversation?
Come on, bro. Hey, you haven't banned me
How can
yet,
you
so
say,
we had a good time.
Miss,
Don't get mad.
just
Miss?
I'm
How
trying to
can you say
understand.
is the Earth man-made when your science can't create a Earth?
That's what I'm trying to understand. How are you saying that Wi-Fi exists but gravity don't when we're a ball spinning in space?
Because you can't prove gravity exists.
You can't prove that Wi-Fi exists, but you're on it.
yes, you can. Do you know?
Do you need me
It's
to read off a
man-made.
carrier
It's
sick miss?
man-made.
Oh, you
So is it
wasn't
a
listening.
conspiracy?
Yes,
Miss,
Come
are you gonna
on.
listen up here? This is why you see this is hey,
Don't kick me.
listen.
Don't kick me.
Are you gonna listen?
All right, listen.
All
I
righty.
should have.
This is how your Wi-Fi work. Once again, it's called a carrier signal.
I know, but
Electro.
that's
Hey,
man-made.
are you? I'm gonna let you down. Are you gonna
No,
listen?
don't do it.
stop talking.
Hear me out then.
All right.
Electromagnetic wave, whose modulations are used as signals in television and other radio transmissions. Do you know Wi-Fi use radio transmission?
Yeah.
All right, then that's how your Wi-Fi works.
Wait. All right. So, hey, can I hear what BBF has to say?
Okay, yeah.
I'm sorry, bro.
So when she said that she can't fall out the bed because the edge is up to you or what? Wait, how did I don't know? I'm not. That I have a question on that. How does that work? And my second thing was, so what you have been low key saying this whole that this idea behind gravity does not work unless you admit that everything is only going to stay down because of electromagnetism, right? That's what you're saying because everything on this earth has a connection to the ground because of the earth. So, of course, will stay here because we talked about.
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly, brother.
Bro, I changed your story like 3 nights in a row. Come on.
Hold on.
Answer
Excuse me.
like
If y'all,
The
if y'all,
dome
if
is
y'all,
actually an energy field that is emitting
So
from
we're
the
inside a big ball?
electromagnetic surf. I mean, miss, 1 second.
who,
The dome is
who
actually
do
an
you?
energy field emitting from the earth beneath the surface from all the energy that
Yeah.
raises up into the sky,
So
creating
so
the sky that we see every
we're in a
day.
big ball?
Come
Can
again?
we let Universe Facts talk a little bit? Let's hear
Wait.
what he has to say.
Who do you? I've studied astronomy for like since 2015. Who do you think created this dome, so-called dome? How would
I
there just
just
be
explained
randomly
it,
a
sir.
dome?
I just explained that.
You think it comes naturally, or you think it was created by some type of supernatural being?
I think it. I think it renaissance naturally from this region of this planet terrain.
What is what Renaissance? It Renaissance
It
from what?
emits. It emits.
Renaissance.
It emits. Is that
You need a
better
new
for you?
word, bro. That wasn't the right word. That's not what you're looking for.
It's okay. It emits. There you go.
so wait, a dude who studied I forgot what you said, but planet stuff. So wait,
Mm-hmm.
how
9,000 over. It's a
what's
straight line because you can't see around a curve. It's not a straight line, but
Hold on.
the
Hold
world's so
on.
big you can't see around a curve.
Hold on. What
Sorry, that was
BBF?
See,
hi.
actually,
I
30
was
miles equals up to 600 feet of curvature, and you can see beyond that.
how
Oh, we're gonna talk about curvature now.
Yeah, can we talk about curvature? Because I have a question. Why
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
can't
Let's do
we
it.
see? I have a question for everybody. Why can't we see the northern star at the
I see the
southern
northern
hemisphere?
star every night. What you mean?
sorry,
Because you're in the northern hemisphere. How
Yes, I
come you
am.
can't see it in the southern hemisphere?
Because we spin on a magnetic pole. It's a up and down, and we spin around.
I thought it was an accident. That's the reason why.
We
Yes,
don't
but
flip all 57,000 ways. We spin in one direction, but it's slowly moving. Believe me, okay? Like many years ago, I had a theory that the world was moving, and it was all because some Inuits in Alaska said their sky changed, okay? And
Mm-hmm.
our magnetic poles are shifting enough that scientists are realizing it now. So, and then it's going at a speed that they didn't realize would
that's not
happen.
really an answer, though.
It's a thing, bro. Come on, don't kick me.
Legit, it's a
If
But
you're
thing.
if
gonna
the
kick
Earth is
me, don't
flat,
kick me.
how
Don't
come they
kick
can't
me.
see it on the south? I don't get it.
Yeah, if the
Because
earth is
we'd see
flat,
the
how can't
same thing.
You talking
Amen.
about
We
this? Are
should be
you
able
talking
to
about the
see it in
Southern
the south.
Cross?
I'm
Are you
sorry?
talking about the Southern Cross?
So I'm talking about
No,
like
the
at the
northern star.
equator.
You
Yeah,
talking
like
about
at the southern.
Polaris?
Yes.
Oh, you would not be able to see Polaris from there. What do you mean? Polaris is literally over the center of all mass.
It's the
How?
northern
Bro, I
star
see Polaris every night.
because
Where are
you're in
you
the
What you
northern
located?
mean?
hemisphere.
Where are
But
you
then,
located?
Because I'm in the
What
northern
continent?
hemisphere. Amen.
Northern. Okay, yes, you will be able to see it.
so
Where are you located?
who me?
Wait, where exactly are you in the northern hemisphere?
Me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in the
What
upper
region?
left
What region? Just
US.
what?
I'm in Washington State. How about that?
Bruh, stop back. Quit playing. Yeah, you're going.
I'm not
You'll be able
playing,
to
bro.
see it.
Where are you
You'll be
from?
able to. You'll be able to see
Where
it.
you from? I ain't playing. I'm from
You will
Washington
be.
State. Where are you from?
Miss, are you listening? You'll be able to see it.
I know. I said that.
So
I
wait,
see it every night. I'm literally looking at it, bro. It's the only star in the sky because I'm in the city, and it's the only star that's bright enough that I can see.
Right.
It's the
Okay.
brightest star in the
Crybaby.
sky.
Yeah.
Crybaby.
Oh
What
God.
was your
Oh
point, bro?
God. I don't even
No, the
believe in
question is
that.
no. Oh, but so you said Polaris can't be seen in the south, right?
In the where at in this? You talking about America?
So that's the northern hemisphere, but in the southern hemisphere, we can't see Polaris. But if it's flat, then we should be able to see all the stars, including the northern star,
How,
Callie,
miss?
where are
because
you
it would be
from?
How,
north.
miss? 1 second. How would that be possible? How when there's a
Wait,
whole
wait,
you
wait.
live if
Crybaby, where are
you
you from?
1 second. If
I'm
you
from
live
New
on this
England.
continent
Okay,
and you're
she's from
under
New
one
England.
second, 1 second, and you're
All right.
under this direct star system, how would you be able to look way over here and see these stars?
Because
How?
we would be able to see all stars
You should be able to.
This
if
is
it's
No,
this is a
flat.
misconception. We
that's
don't
too
see all
far.
stars. We don't.
How
Okay.
far is it to fly from Africa to
University
China?
knowledge.
How
wait,
far is it to
Hang
fly
on.
from
I
Africa
want to
to
hear the
Australia?
host. What's up?
How long does it take to fly to Africa from Australia?
Africa to Australia, I'm
Yeah.
guessing about 10 hours.
Exactly.
Hey,
You
hold
think
on. He's trying to bring that up again. But let's talk about how there's a
you gotta
time
make it
zone
make sense.
change.
No, don't hang on, miss. Slow down.
Wait.
So do you
Hawaii ain't that far from you, but the time
hey,
difference.
Look, bro,
bro, I'm
just
gonna let you down. Why are you
Don't let
so
me down.
argumentative? Like, God, good
Hey,
Lord, we trying to make sense up here, man.
Anyway,
So
hey,
do you, I mean, like, it makes sense. I mean, like, you know how far that is, that distance, all the
mm-hmm.
distortion and all, and then you gotta
well,
always include all the nonsense and craziness they're spraying in the air.
what what do you
That's
believe?
that's
What do you
limiting our
believe
view.
stars are, and where do you think they are located in your belief?
Oh, they're all built within the dome, the firmament that people
So
proclaim.
you think they're close to us?
Yes, sir. They're literally
So
right in
with
the
they're
sky, the
within our
global atmosphere.
hemisphere.
If
Yes, sir.
if they were close to us, why don't we see all of them as bright as we see our sun?
You do at night.
No, you don't.
Oh, you
Because
do.
if they were
You
that
gon'
close, they would
It'd be
be as
bright.
bright as the sun. The
the
wait.
sun
sun
is a
is.
star.
Not
The
as
only
bright as
Sir,
the
diff-
sun.
do you know how
I don't know
small the
about that.
star is compared to the sun?
you realize all these stars, if not
Sir, one
most of them.
second. Are you going to listen or not, sir? Do you know
Okay,
how
I'll
small
listen.
a
I'll
star is
listen.
compared to the sun? They literally let off the same amount of light, though. Did you know that?
But many stars are as big as the sun, if
Sir,
not
once
bigger.
again,
But
sir, do you know how small the stars are compared to the sun? And the
no,
sun
they're
isn't
not.
as
There's
big as
many
you
stars
believe
which
it
are
Mm-hmm.
bigger than the
is.
sun. I can name 10
So you don't think
Sir,
that
do
stars
you
are
know
galaxies
this?
away?
No, not
star.
at all, miss.
Okay.
The crybaby, you have a more logical state of mind. I see you and BBF. I see, man.
I'm just a thinker.
No, I'm just
Exactly,
speaking.
exactly.
I'm just speaking from my Earth
Yes, sir.
view.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Exactly. I'm still Earth based.
Crybaby, have you ever heard of the magnetosphere?
No, I haven't. What is it?
The magnetosphere. This is a section of the sky we just literally and really cannot make it through.
Hmm.
Okay. So my
This
question.
region of the sky is a region of the upper atmosphere extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. Then
Hmm.
on top of that, crybaby, there is another layer called the chaos layer. They have yet to speculate.
How did
So
they
when
know?
you say yet to speculate, is it that it's been disproven or that there is no proof?
There's no. There is
They
no.
they
They,
have yet to do any research
Uh-huh.
amongst this behind it. It has yet to be proven as safe to pass through.
right. So my question,
So then
like,
how do you justify that? Yeah, like how do you prove something like that?
I do something
What do you
that can
mean?
prove,
Prove something like that as in
like,
No,
what way?
so
like
you said it was what, the chaos sphere? Or what is it called?
the,
I'm
uh,
sorry.
They call they call this basically yes, it's the chaos layer above the mag. This is basically the Van Allen belt.
Okay. Okay.
This is the Van Allen belt. What
okay.
they
Okay.
I,
proclaim to be the Van Allen belt, but through their real term that they have on NASA.gov, they call it actually the chaos layer.
Mm.
my question is this: I thought she was gonna be. I thought prove that the gas layer exists if it's been yet to speculate. There's no research done on it. They can't
Basically,
work.
they didn't know it was there, and they tried to go up and ran into some, very crazy energy they wasn't expecting. They had to do
Hmm.
an emergency turnaround, and they have yet to go back up that high and do any research behind it.
Right. When cars are built into the firmament, or is that man-made or something that the firmament just does it?
Respectfully,
You
Jay, we
breaking up,
cannot hear
Brody?
you. You're breaking up. Respectfully.
Yeah, you breaking up very bad.
Wait, I'm breaking up right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, it's better. Keep
Oh,
talking.
no, I was asking like, is the stars man-made into the firmament, or the firmament just does that itself? And if it does do it itself, where is it trying to show us?
Sir, I didn't create none of this. I'm not Father God, but all I can do is prove to you that your earth is not a ball.
Oh, okay, okay. I feel you.
But you can do more research behind it. You got any proof that gravity exists?
I mean, bro, like, I can prove that we have matter in our bodies.
We can't hear you,
What?
sir.
I hate Wi-Fi. I hate Wi-Fi. That's what I said. I hate Wi-Fi and I hate mines. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
My
just
bad.
keep close to the mic.
Okay, so I was just saying that like all I can say is that you pointed out a very good fact that everything has a little bit of magnetization to it, so that's most likely the reason why we're stuck on the ground. Now, for the dude who said he studied the planets and whatnot, I'm just asking you, sir, because you studied it for 4 years or so. Can you prove dude wrong? Like, are you able to do it without like
About
you?
what?
Yeah, sir.
Like,
We need to unite. You know what I'm talking about? Stand up against the people that's
Okay,
keeping us
I'm
down,
happy to
keeping
have
us
like a
oppressed. So
regular
this way
I'm
we can
ready
have all
I'm
control
happy
and
to have
take
like a
control, and we be
regular
able.
conversation, you know.
yeah, okay, yeah, 100%. I feel you. I feel you. It's
So
just
I
like
believe stars,
Sir,
the sun is an ordinary, what we know in this
hey,
in the astronomy world, the sun is an ordinary star. It's nothing special. The only reason why the sun appears brighter than every other star to us on here on this earth is
that's
because the
great,
sun
sir.
is the
So
closest
who's
star.
made it through the chaos level?
I don't believe in that. I believe the earth is round.
Well, this is what your science believe, which is the Van Allen belt. So
yo, you who studied for 4 years, can you go look this up on that NASA website?
one second, sir. Sir, can you explain to us, sir, who's made it through the chaos level, aka Van Allen belt, that has yet to be speculated?
And there's a chance that you weren't taught that. So
What do you want me to like search that shit up? Because
yeah, do something because
Don't
like
don't curse on my law. Thank you.
because they don't want to get it banned. But oh man, yeah, he's out of here. He's out of here. All
So
righty.
as any but yeah, crybaby. What other questions you have?
I was just thinking, um, you know the difference between the northern moon versus the southern moon, how it's kind of like reversed. So we see the sun because we're in the northern region. It's like, how do I say this? It would be a blob going up left, but
Crybaby, I can't tell
instead,
you the whys behind things. I didn't create the planet, but I can tell you
no, but if
what it
it's
can prove
flat,
gravity.
how can we see, like, how do we see a reversed or upside down image of the moon coming from, like, say, Australia? Because Australia has a totally different moon than we do. Like,
What?
it's the same moon. Okay, it's weird to say.
Maybe the moon
It's
is
not the
spinning.
same.
Maybe the moon is spinning. Doing its own little thing in our
No, but it's like
local atmosphere.
upside down.
Oh, so it has.
Right. It could be spinning or something. I don't know. I've never even seen that, or I can't even follow you behind that. Honestly, I've never seen the moon do that.
But if it's flat, then we would see the same face of the moon,
That's
but
what
we
people do.
don't.
Most of the
But
time,
in
people do. When
Australia, it's
you ever
different.
when Miss, how often do we see the backside of the moon?
I
The
thought.
backside of the moon,
I
we
thought
Yeah.
we
don't.
never. Oh,
Come
okay.
again? You said we don't, right? So don't we always see the
Right.
same face of the moon?
We do, but why does Australia see it upside down rather than the way that we see it
I
in
will
the
have to
northern?
look into that. Thank you.
Yeah,
Anything
because
else?
it's interesting.
And if it
Um,
does, it's just something the moon do.
I'm gonna look into it more because, like, why would that happen then? Because
I've never
if
heard
it's
about it,
flat,
but
if
okay.
you claim it's flat, then it's just, I don't know. I'll look into it though. But thank you for having me. I really
What you
appreciate
mean
it.
look into it? You said that the moon does that. Now you're going to look into it.
I think she mean like
Well,
look.
I'm saying, like, why does that happen? Because I think it has to do with the fact that I think the Earth is spherical, but if it's flat, then how come we can't see the same side of the moon at like the same face of the moon?
Would that be the
But you
same
do.
thing
You said
about the
they
North
do see
Star?
the same faces, just flipped upside down.
Right, 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 right,
So they do.
right. But
That's just
But
a
what?
I'm gonna look it up.
Are
I'm
you
gonna look
asking
it
how
up.
did the
But
moon flip upside down? Can you just say that?
no, I don't think that's what I'm gonna look up myself. I don't think you can answer that, so I'm gonna look it up.
Right. No one can answer that, miss, because no one created the earth.
Oh,
No
you
one
don't believe in
here.
God?
No one here. Let me yes, clarify that for you.
Okay.
Are you religious by any chance?
I am none of your religions. My Father God is no religion.
Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
was gonna say I ain't gonna lie, like the Bible never speaks on like Christianity. Even though I proclaim to be a Christian, I only proclaim to be a Christian because it's a healthy
Satanists
practice.
started all of these religions, including NASA.
So yeah, no, like the connection with God is more important than a religion. I have no problem reading the Bible, but the religion idea is
Every Bible on earth is a codex you are meant to decode.
Mm-hmm.
but
So there is some evidence that NASA has definitely proved wrong. So, do you think this could be like a government effect of like what we should traditionally believe rather than not thinking outside the box?
Didn't they told everybody they want a nation of what?
Like the same thinking, you know how NASA
They
is
told everyone they want a
government.
nation of workers, not a nation
Hmm.
of thinkers. They
Wait,
told
hive?
y'all this to your face.
That makes sense.
Told you
That makes
this.
sense.
That's a hive mind.
What does that mean? They want a nation of followers, not leaders, not independent thinkers. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, no,
Hmm.
none of that. Not unique thinkers. No, they don't want you to be any of that.
Hmm.
Nah, they want
Hmm.
you to just be a follower. Everything you see on TV, yeah, you get a part of that. Follow these celebrities, want to be a celebrity. Why would I want to do that when I know they selling their souls? What?
Okay, you got a point there. You got a point there. You really
But yeah,
do.
man, you know what I'm talking about. But I'm about to end my live, y'all. Give me some rest and things, man. This was okay. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
sounds
But
good.
yeah, everybody want to be a basketball star, football star, all this stuff, man. You don't even know. Just to even have a big platform on any of these apps, you got to sell yourself. Did y'all know that too? No game though. Yeah, man, you on everything. Believe me, man. Before I get too big, this account will be taken down. Follow the backup. This is no game. This won't last for too much longer. They don't even like what I'm talking about. You hear me?
I feel you, big bro.
For real, for real. Period. That's why my platform is why I'm always suspended. I'm trying to be
You
extra
got a second?
careful. You
Wait, so
feel
you
me?
got a
People
backup?
cuss, I'm kicking them off. People try to be argumentative, I'm kicking you
They
off.
be trying to wait. Do they be trying to hit you with for the misinformation strike? They did the same thing about COVID. If you decided to say you don't want to take it, and that's a direct violation of
True.
freedom of speech.
Yeah,
So,
we can't talk about that either. But yeah, I'm out the end of the live. You can't mention that either, Brody. I'm out.
oh,